I had so much chips. I better stop now or I'll become fatty. Oh ho, what am I doing? Let me segregate. Only 9% of the plastic is recycled. Yeah, Bunny? You will be happy to know that I segregated the garbage. First, I put the chips into the dry waste and then I put the chips packet. Arey, chips is wet waste na? But chips are dry, no? But it doesn't matter if chips are dry or wet. All food waste is wet waste. Okay.
Okay, gotta go.
91% of the waste is just spread around. Hello? This Chotu is so stupid. He was putting the spoiled dosa batter into the sink. I told him, you foolish, what are you doing? You have to put it in the wet waste. Bunny pouring wet stuff in the sink is fine. He was doing the right thing. You always take his side only. This is also confusing. I don't want to do it only. Then you can inhale plastic, eat plastic in your food, drink plastic in your water. Are you gone mad? Okay, Bunny, listen to me. 91% of the plastic is just spread around. In the marketplace, in the hills, in the water bodies, the landfills. Arey, so pick it up and cycle it back, no?
I've been working with
Asha Janardhan from the Rotary, and she says for garbage, if you mix it, you can't fix it. So what happens is this plastic that's lying around breaks into smaller particles, and these microplastics, they get into the soil, into the oceans. Oh, now I'm understanding. Plastic in the food, plastic in the water. Chee! Exactly. And you remember the Mumbai flooding you got stuck in? Yeah, it was so worst. Well, so the flooding in Mumbai and Chennai, etc. is happening because this plastic litter is clogging the drains. Arey, so what is the solution? Well, the solution is segregation.
Bunny. Let me explain this to you
Properly again. So the wet waste is all the food waste. Okay, like the vegetable peels, fruit peels. Also, your hair and nails, that's all the biodegradable stuff which can be composted. That is also wet waste. I'll send you a link on composting later. You have to hand this over as before to the municipal garbage collector.
or you can compost it.
Okay, so our role is very, very important with dry waste. I already told you with plastic what you have to do.
Rinse it, dry it, throw it. Okay?
Okay, paper, metal, glass, this all goes in dry waste. So what you can do is collect this as a society and call up a recycler and give this to a recycler. And since you're in Mumbai, you can call Rotary 3141 and they'll collect it from your society. Okay, wait. There's one more type of waste, which is the reject waste. This is razors, expired medicines, sanitary napkins, condoms, diapers. I know. All these embarrassing things you have to put in the potty and then flush it down. There's nothing embarrassing about all this. You have to put this in a separate packet.
Give this also to the municipal garbage collector.
But I have only one blade. What do I do with it? Okay, then what you can do is you can wrap this up in paper, mark this with a red pen, put a cross on it, and put it in your dry waste. Okay? You will be happy to know that I called up Asha Janardhan and they are sending their people to pick up dry garbage from my all society. Good! So congratulations, you are now a Good Earth ambassador. Thank you. I saw Khanna uncle throwing banana peel on the ground. As Good Earth ambassador, I should go to his house and publicly shame him. Why don't you ask Khanna uncle to also become a Good Earth ambassador? And you know what? You should always lead by example. So next time you go to Juhu Beach and have biscuits or chocolate, instead of throwing the wrapper on the beach, put it in your pocket and bring it home and throw it in the dry waste. Every time I talk badly about someone, you bring the attention back to my mistakes. As Good Earth ambassador, there are so many do's, so many don'ts, so much work. Bunny, once you start doing it, it will become very easy. And remember, the future generations will say, there was this one bunny who made this world a better place for us. Okay, I will do. There was a bunny who made the world a better place. Well done, bunny. What about you? Are you willing to make the world a better place?